red light. Honking horns! What was that?
There's the missing monkey.
After him. Hello? Hello? Hey, Brewster. Shh! There's something in the tunnel. What sort of something? I don't know. Listen. I can't hear anything.
What are you two doing?
Shh. Brewster thinks that there's something in the tunnel. Yeah, some of the animals got out of the safari park last night, and I think one of them's in there. Ooh. There was a growling noise. Everybody, keep quiet and let's listen.
Think you must have been hearing things, Brewster.
No, there was growling. Honest.
Come on, Wilson. We'd better make our deliveries.
But...
Whoa! Who's that? It could be a lion.
Or an elephant. Or it could be something we've never even seen before.
Like what?
Like... a dragon.
A dragon?
Yeah. Emery said the dragon got out last night too.
Zephie's heading straight for the tunnel.
Tell her to stop.
Stop, Zephie!
Zephie's counting on me. I'm coming, Zephie. Brave Brewster is on the way.
The dragon's laughing at Brewster.
I'll admit I'm scared of some things, but not this dragon. He's very small.
A frog?
You all right, Zephie?
Sorted, Chief?
Yes, thanks. Now I just need some helpers to go to the docks. Who's with me?
I am! I don't need diesel.
Count me in, dear. Nothing more reliable than steam.
Really? How about electricity? I'll help too, Jackman.
Thanks, everyone. We're Chug Patrol and we're ready to roll.
They're on the way. Let's get more fuel tankers ready, Russ.
Right you are, Skipper Stew. Harry, Hamish, I'll need your help.
On it!
Job. Ash, follow behind me in case I need help. Everyone else, wait here.
Right,
Yes,
you are!
Chief!
Jackman!
Good news, Wilson. They've reached the docks.
Perfecto! Jackman's always in control.
I've got you, Jackman!
Phew. Thanks. I thought I was going to end up in the sea.
What now, Chief? Those tracks are dangerous.
And it's steeper round the corner. I'm not sure I'm strong enough to hold you.
Nor me!
Nor me.
No, but if everybody gives a little, we'll have a lot. Let's link together. Ash, spray de-icer in the air so it runs down the tracks.
Blazing!
Now slowly forward, chuggers. Little by little.
Little
That's it. Easy does it.
Here they come. Stupendous!
Well done, guys.
Grand work, team. The fuel tankers are ready for you.
Now you've cleared the rails, we'll help you haul the fuel.
They're back! Yay! Jackman, you did it!
Fuel's up, chuggers. We've enough for everyone.
I'm never going to get the ice cream to the fair on time now.
What's keeping Wilson?
What am I going to tell V? I'll just have to pull all the cars together.
Ciao, Wilson. See you later.
Yes, see you later. Bumpers.
Ice cream, tutti frutti ice cream. It's cold, it's yummy, feels good in your tummy.
A chopped suey cheesecake cone, please. Smash and thanks.
Come on, Wilson.
Ice cream, tutti frutti ice cream.
Uh-oh.
Wilson, how's it going?
Fine. Thanks. Oh, why didn't I ask for help? Now it's too late. Oh.
Oh, this is ridiculous. Where is Wilson? Oh, an ice cream fair with no ice cream. This is a disaster.
I promised V I wouldn't let her down. I've got to get help, even if it means looking silly in front of Frostini.
Tutti frutti ice cream. It's cold, it's yummy, feels good.
Frostini! I was supposed to get the ice cream to the fair ages ago. But I was enjoying your tour so much, I forgot about the time.
Don't feel bad. This is quite usual in the company of the great Frostini.
But now I'm really late and the cars are just too heavy. I need your help, or people won't get to try your raspberry rock cake razzmatazz.
That would be a disaster. Avanti!
A whaty?
Avanti! It means let's go, Wilson.
Phew. Thanks, Frostini.
You're cutting it a bit fine, Wilson. How many more trips do you need to make?
How's it going?
Nearly done with the explosives. Then I've just got to double-check everything.
Right, I'll put the word out. You wouldn't believe how many chuggers want to see this come down.
I thought Brewster would be back by now.
Three down, 3 to go.
Cracking work, Chug Patroller.
Thanks, Chief.
Will be a fine sight when it comes down.
Yeah, I can't wait.
I'm nearly done, Pete, so why don't you go to the demolition? I'll catch you up.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I won't be long.
Much obliged to you.
Chugs, away!
One to go, and away we blow.
They're nearly ready to blow up the tower. Are you coming, Brewster?
Yes, just as soon as I finish my work. See you there, Chatsworth.
Toot toot! Onward!
Ready?
Nearly. On the last check now. Hey, have you seen Brewster?
No, but Pete said he's on his way.
Oh, good. I don't want him to miss this.
Pete's not there, Zephie.
Oh, hi, Brewster.
He's gone to watch the demolition. Can I help you?
Just dropping off a part for delivery to Rocky Ridge Quarry.
OK. Leave it there and I'll take it later.
Great! I heard that the excavator's broken down and the quarry's ground to a halt.
Really? Honking horns. Then I'd better take that part up there right away.
Thanks, Brewster. See you later.
No problem. Work comes first. Oh, well, I'll just have to miss the explosion.
OK, Zach. All ready to blow. Let's make some noise.
Solid! I'll let Chug Patrol know. Time's ready.
Great. Jackman to Wilson. Report, please. Over.
We're ready this side, Chief. All safety checks complete.
Good work, Chug Patroller. Stand by.
Koko Express! Ooh, hi, Pete.
Oh, look at you with your fancy cargo car.
I'm taking this to the repair shed. See? I'm helping Daly with his deliveries.
But it's blue. That's for the drop and load yard, Koko.
Huh?
Red is for the repair shed.
You're right. Daly said red. Oh, I was rushing and picked up the first one I saw.
Leave that with me. You'd better get back to the dock sharpish.
Thanks, Pete.
Now we just need that new part. I hope that Koko-san is all right.
Oh, where could it be? Russ? Russ! Have you seen any other containers for Daly?
Did you try the carousel, Koko?
Yeah, it's empty.
Strange. That's where I put everything.
Skipper Stu, seen anything for Daly?
All his freight goes on the carousel, Koko.
Nowhere else.
Negative.
Okay, thanks. Hamish, Harry, I'm looking for Daly's freight.
Sorry, don't know nothing about that. We've been out delivering. Ask Russ.
I did. It has to be here somewhere.
Koko to the repair shed, urgently, please. Morgan needs that part.
And I've lost it. Daly and Hanzo will be so disappointed in me.
Much obliged.
Oh, I'll just have to look everywhere. Not there. No. Nothing. Wait, I'm being quick, but not careful. Don't rush, Koko. It is here! I was just in too much of a hurry before. Careful and quick, that's the trick. Express delivery for the repair shed.
Just in time. Well done, Koko-san.
Sorry, mate. I'm not going to be able to fix this today.
Oh, no! Really?
Yeah, I'll have to send for a part.
But how am I going to load the ship without a crane?
Sailing, sailing over the Chugginton Sea. On my way to New Trainland, that's a life for me. Hey!
I've never missed a deadline ever, but I can't see a way to load this ship today.
What's that over there?
Oh, an old steam relic. Been there since way before my time.
Ever used it?
No, it's not regulation.
True. They don't make them like that anymore, I tell you. I bet it still works.
You're right. Let's fire her up. What do we got to lose?
Ah, we'll need a steam engine's help.
I remember using this when I was a youngster. We'll get this beauty going again for sure.
Stella!
I'll fill up the water tank. Stand by!
I'm on tenterhooks.
Rattling rivets. Music to me vents, that is.
Stupendous! Move the ship, Captain Charlie!
Here we go. Oh, rattling rivets.
Reach, Pete! Reach!
I'm trying, but that's as far as it goes.
No!
Of course, in the old days it was on rails and could get closer.
So near, and yet so far.
Sorry, Skipper, but if we can't load soon, we'll have to leave with an empty ship.
Understood, Captain.
Wonder how the crew's getting on.
What do we do now, Skip?
This can't throw me off course. Everyone's counting on me. I'll think of something.
Shame we can't move it nearer the ship.
That's it, Harry. We'll put it on wheels.
We're strong, Skip, but I don't think even we can lift that.
Don't forget, I know cranes. We can use the ship to move it. Roll aside, Pete.
Sweet. Sorted.
On my command, pull!
That's the ticket.
Hey! Stellar work, everyone.
Oh, Koko, that's not nearly enough to feed a hungry elephant.
Oh, elephants eat more than I thought. Sorry, I'll get some more, Vicky. Chugga chugga
Kangaroos are amazing.
Hey, Wilson, how high can a kangaroo jump?
As high as a grasshopper's eye.
Huh?
Or maybe it was an apple pie. Or a bird in the sky. Who wants to see some monkeys?
Yay!
Where's Wilson?
He already left with the crew.
What? But he's not ready. That chugger is in over his wheels.
Look, there's one.
This animal has a long trunk instead of a nose.
Huh? No, it doesn't.
Oops, I was looking at the tail.
Hey, what do monkeys eat?
They eat, bananas. Phew.
I don't know where he puts it all.
Right then, let's go and feed the monkeys.
Yay! How much hay do monkeys eat?
Monkeys don't eat hay. They mainly eat fruit. Would you go to the orchard and get some apples for them?
You can count on Koko.
Thanks. I'll meet you over there.
Next, you'll see a baby giraffe. It is the size of a jelly bean and it lives in its mother's pouch.
That's no jelly bean.
I can't see a pouch.
Oh, bumpers! What did Matambo say about giraffes? Wait, I've got it! Giraffes stick their heads in the sand when they're scared.
That's ostriches. Everybody knows that. You don't know anything.
Yeah! Take us back! We want a new tour guide! We want a new tour guide!
I told you I was only helping. I'm still learning. Sorry I didn't give you a good tour.
Hi, Vicky. I got all the apples I could find.
Oh, my goodness. It'll take weeks for the monkeys to eat all those, and the apples won't keep that long.
Oh, no.
Why don't you take some over to the giraffes? It'll be a nice treat for them.
On my way. We shouldn't have made you take us.
Yeah. Sorry we were mean.
I'll never be a good tour guide.
Yes, you will. The tour was still fun, even if you got a bit muddled up.
Really?
Yeah!
Thanks. Come on, let's go find Matambo and start the tour again.
Hey, kids, you hungry?
Yeah, I
am. Everyone out. It's snack time. Help yourselves to apples.
Great idea, Koko.
This is a really great tour.
Yeah.
Take some for your friends, too.